Okay, free text, my arch enemy. It's a problem globally, a problem locally, it's a problem everywhere. If you buy and purchase indirect materials and you have a portion of them that are used with free text, effectively no cataloged material numbers, it's a problem. It gives you no ability to control that spend to provide benefits to the business. No visibility, no availability. It's an issue. I've been into many industries where they're over 90% free text. That's enormous amount of spend that's uncontrolled. That's like handing out checkbooks to all your employees and say, hey, buy what you want. It makes no sense. And it's because this kind of spend gets put in the too hard basket. And that needs to be controlled. That too hard basket needs to be approached. If you don't do that, it's death by a thousand cuts. You're letting people spend money that they shouldn't, and you don't hold them to account for that spend. Their job is to get the job done that they're employed to do. Spending isn't. So they get what they need as fast as they can at increased cost. And that's dangerous for a business where it eats away at your margins. So I'd be keen to understand, what is your free text? Do you even know what your free text is? Do you know what your inventory value for your MRO is? Do you know what your availability is? I'd be keen to know. This is be interesting to hear.